In healthcare, mistrust can be especially damaging, leading to poor health outcomes and worsening inequality.
When clinical trials don't include people who represent all of us, it can seriously affect everyone's health.
It's a fundamental problem in terms of making sure that the research is genuinely applicable and relevant to all of the communities we serve.
We have really often failed to engage lots of different groups, and often they're the groups that most need treatment.
Historical abuse and breach of ethical and moral codes have played a major role in the mistrust and reluctance of many ethnic groups to engage in medical research.
And what we're trying to do always when we're thinking about clinical research is to improve care for patients. So that's the ultimate goal.
Prescribing medicine to some ethnic groups that offer little or no benefit to them is putting their lives at risk.
I think there is a sort of lack of understanding or awareness of what research actually is.
What we know very well from the history of medical research is that when patient groups become involved in research, the whole thing entirely changes.
We have to make sure that we build confidence with those people, confidence that we will kind of protect them and look after their interests, whether that's in the information we're using or looking after their care or their health.
You need to use very simple, clear and honest language, because that way they will engage.
So unless we can get the full participation of everybody who lives here, we will not know whether the treatments will work for everybody.
For me, the utopia is that research is in the very fabric of the healthcare system.